Okay, next sum. This is also different sum. That mean speed, distance, time sum. That mean if a train runs at 40 kilometers per hour, it reaches its destination late by 11 minutes. Okay, with the same distance, it runs in 50 kilometers per hour, it is late by 5 minutes only. So find the distance to be covered by the train. Okay, here you have three terms. What are they? Speed, distance, and time. So already you know the relation among these three. Speed equal to distance by time. Speed equal to distance by time. That means 40 kilometers, that is distance by hours time. Okay, speed equal to distance by time. Distance by time. So speed equal to distance by time. Here speed is given and time, late time also given. You have to find out the distance between two destinations. Okay, so how to find how to solve this question? Very simple manner I explain. Okay, what do you want? We want to find distance between two stations. So distance to be covered by the train be x kilometers. So let the distance to be covered by the train be x kilometers. Okay, now we have the speed in first case and speed in second case, and late time also given. First time 11 minutes late and second time 5 minutes late. With the help of these clues, we have to find out the value of that x, that mean a distance. Okay, how? In case number 1 and case number 2. So in first case, speed is given. Speed of the train equal to 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, now and distance, same distance. How many kilometers? X kilometers. Okay, speed is 40 kilometers per hour in first case and distance equal to x kilometers. Now we have to find out the time. Here time, with the help of this equation you have to find out the time. Here time is division of transposition, multiplication. Here speed is multiplication of transposition, division. So cross multiplication. Okay, t instead of yes, you have to write t equal to distance by time. That means this is transposing of t. After transposition, the t equal to distance by speed. So time equal to distance by speed. Here distance equal to x and speed equal to 40. Time is in hours. Kilometer per hour. Time is in hour. Okay. Next, in case number 2. Here speed equal to 50 kilometers per hour. Speed equal to 50 kilometers per hour. And distance. Okay. The train covered the same distance. Okay, like x kilometers per hour, and its time, distance by speed, that means x by 50 hours. Okay, so in both cases already we found the time. Okay, time equal to x by 40 in first time and time equal to x by 50 in second case. Okay, so in first case the late time is 11 minutes and second case the late time is 5 minutes. Okay, so time difference in both cases equal to 11 minutes minus 5 minutes. Okay, 11 minutes taken by first time, that means x by 40, minus 5 minutes taken by in second case x by 50. The difference equal to how much? That equal to 11 minus 5, 6 minutes. But here observe, this time is in hours, this time is in hours, but this is in minutes. Now that minutes converting into hours. How? 6 by, okay, in 1 hour how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 6 by 60 hours. That means minutes converting into hours. So 6 ones are 6 tens are. That equal to 1 by 10 hours. So you convert the time difference 6 minutes in hours, that is 1 by 10 hours. Okay, so 1 by 10 hours. Because x by 40 in hours, x by 50 in hours, so 1 by 10 is also in hours. All are in same units. Okay, now we have to solve it. You get one simple equation, you solve it and you get the value of x. Okay, how? Very simple. Okay, so x by, this can be expressed as 10 into 4. X by 50 can be expressed as 10 into 5 equal to 1 by 10. Here 1 by 10 is common. Separate it. Remaining x by 4 minus x by 5 is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, here 1 by 10 is common, separate it in both terms. Remaining x by 4 minus x by 5 equal to 1 by 10. Here 10 is division of transposition, it becomes multiplication. That means x by 4 minus x by 5 equal to 1 by 10 into 10. 10, 10 cancel, that equal to 1. That means x by 4 minus x by 5 equal to 1. Okay, we have to solve it. The LCM of the denominators, 4 5s are 20. 4 how much are 20? 5s are 5 into x, 5x. 5 how much are 20? 4s are 4 into x, 4x. Okay, 5 minus 4, 1. That means x by 20 equal to 1. Here 20 is division quantity of transposition, it becomes division, it becomes multiplication. So x equal to 1 into 20, that equal to 20. So here x, what is x here? X indicates the distance covered by the train. Okay, so therefore distance covered by the train is equal to how many kilometers? 20 kilometers. Here this x indicates the distance to be covered by the train, that is x. Here x equal to how many kilometers? 20 kilometers. So distance covered by the train equal to 20 kilometers.